Cheap but deadly? The real combat toughness of the Bayraktar TB2 drone. With Turkish officials acknowledging the operational level service of the Bayraktar TB2, Turkiye becomes just the 6th nation in the world to field a viable unmanned aerial combat vehicle. It joined the United States, China, Pakistan, Israel, and Iran in the field. These platforms offer considerable advantages when compared to their unmanned aerial vehicle brethren, least of these being an armed ability to seek out and destroy ground elements with precision strikes without exposing human airmen or their very expensive flying machines to danger. The TB2 is based on the earlier Bayraktar tactical UAS, first flown in 2009 and introduced in 2014. The TB2 is the armed reconnaissance form and has already seen successful action against the PKK, Kurdistan Workers' Party. The series' first kill was recorded on September 8, 2016, and many more have followed since. Turkiye has tried, for years, to secure foreign-born UCAV platforms from the United States and elsewhere, to no avail. As such, it turned to local industry to develop an indigenous solution to an indigenous problem, and this has led to several notable products emerging, the TAI Anka and the TB2. The TB2 gained steam in 2015 as a weapons delivery capability was fleshed out for the Bayraktar tactical UAS. This led to trials in late 2015 and formal introduction for service in 2016. With all of the work being local in nature, Turkiye bypasses any strict arms regulations generally encountered with foreign purchases. Additionally, the TB2 can be evolved as Turkish military needs require, making for a more effective long-term solution. The finalized TB2 sees straight-wing main planes positioned at midships and aft of a sleek nose cone assembly. The engine is fitted at the rear of the fuselage within a well-contoured housing. Aspiration of the power plant is through small slits on the housing surfaces. The engine powers a two-bladed propeller unit in pusher configuration. A twin-boom tail design is used to help clear the engine installation and its propeller. The booms are slim and emanate from the wing root trailing edges, joined together at the rear of the aircraft by conjoined, inward-cranked vertical tail fins, also serving as de facto horizontal planes. The wheeled undercarriage is fixed in flight, and an optics blister is seen at the ventral line of the fuselage. By all accounts, the TB2 utilizes proven UAV design and construction practices, from its external arrangement to its internal makeup. It is further classified as a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned system. Operators pilot the aircraft from ground control stations, and some autonomous capability is built into the flying component. The aircraft features a pair of hardpoints under the wings, one per wing, that allow for the carrying of various ordnance types, including anti-tank guided missiles as well as laser-guided bombs. All this adds to the precision strike capability so sought after by today's militaries. Beyond the ability to self-designate and strike at ground targets, the series has also been used to laser-designate missile targets for Turkish Army attack helicopters like the American-made Huey Cobra.